If you really want to grow your channel in 2026, I will be honest with you. Before this year runs out, I want you to pause and actually reflect if you've actually been feeling stuck with your channel, probably your content, or even just your ideas. 2026 isn't just going to magically change anything on your channel. Nothing is actually going to change until you change what you do. I remember a time I was actually feeling stuck to uploading videos, hoping that they'll actually do well, but nothing really was actually working. That feeling of, spinning your wheels, yeah, I've been there. So today I want to share exactly what every creator should do before the new year. Now, these are the things that will help you stop feeling stuck and actually move forward. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you review your channel. I know some of you get scared of analytics. You think numbers are just judgmental, but here is the truth. Numbers are not judging you. They are actually guiding you. So you need to take a look at your videos, the videos you actually uploaded this year, and ask yourself 3 simple questions. Which of this video actually held people's attention? Which of this video actually brought new subscribers to your channel? And lastly, ask yourself which of your videos did not do well. I remember I once had one video that I uploaded at a certain time. I thought actually that video was going to blow up, and it barely got 100 views. In fact, it was actually having less than 50 views. Meanwhile, a random tutorial video that I made got thousands of views. So that's the kind of insight that shows you what actually works on your channel. Now, your 2026 strategy is hidden inside those answers. So you need to stop guessing, repeat what actually works on your channel. If you see that a particular video actually did well on your channel, what you need to do is to replicate that kind of video again. Make more videos related to that kind of video so that you don't have to be guessing which video do I upload. Which leads me to the second one: pick one clear niche. Now, here is something that keeps so many creators stuck, trying to do everything. Now, one day you're actually doing educational content, next day you're doing trending topics, the next day it's lifestyle, and then you wonder why you're not growing despite that you're being consistent on your channel. So before the new year, at least pick one topic for your channel. Let your channel be known for one niche. Decide who your audience are. That means who you want to be making videos for. If you are into cooking, definitely your audience are those that are looking forward to know how to cook. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that your video is solving a problem for a particular set of people. Now, if people are actually confused about what your channel is all about, definitely YouTube will also be confused. So if someone cannot explain what your channel is all about in one sentence, then YouTube will not know who or where to recommend your video. So clarity actually creates momentum, and confusion keeps you stuck. So you don't want that for your channel. Make sure that your channel is known for one thing, one niche. Sometimes you are not stuck because your content is actually bad. No, your content may be good, but you are stuck because nobody is actually clicking on your videos. Now think about it. You may scroll past a video with a clustered or messy thumbnail, even if the video is actually good. But if you don't click to watch that video, how are you going to know what is in the content? So people need to at least click on that video first before they can actually say, oh, this content is actually very, very good. So before 2026, make sure that you remove cluttered thumbnail. At least use 2 to 3 bold, eye-catching words on each thumbnail. Do not make it too clustered. Do not use too much words on your thumbnail. I remember one of my favorite videos had a very boring thumbnail. I had to change it to something short, bold, and curiosity driven, and the views doubled in a week. So this actually works. And if you don't know how to make a thumbnail, I made this video for you. Do well to watch that video. That video is going to teach you how you can make a thumbnail very, very fast without having to use Canva, CapCut, and the likes. Very simple, and you're going to make professional thumbnail. I want you to know that a good video with a weak thumbnail is a locked door and nobody is going to get in. So you see that your thumbnail is very, very crucial, and it is the gateway to your content, because if they don't click, there is no way you're going to get views. Now this leads me to the fourth one: plan your content intentionally. Now, being stuck often comes from hoping things will actually work out. Hope is not a strategy, planning is. So before this year runs out, at least write 10 video ideas that you know that you can actually sit down to film without burning out. Now, base them on your top performing videos. That is why I said in the beginning of this video that you need to study your analytics to see which video actually did well on your channel and the video that flopped. So what you need to do is to work more and make videos that are related to the video that really perform excellently well on your channel. Then you can also include questions that your audience are actually asking. For example, when I dropped the video on how to get 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, I got a lot of questions, people asking me, how do I do this for faceless? How do I do this for channels that don't want to show their face? And immediately I made another video relating to that, answering their questions, and it became one of my best performing videos. What this means is that direction actually creates momentum, and momentum breaks the stuck feelings. Mind you, by next year we're going to be having a lot of creators here on YouTube, like new creators, and trust me, there's going to be a lot of competition, and you don't want to keep feeling stuck by not planning. So you need to plan ahead. Whenever you're less busy, you can just script them out, sit down, film, and then edit, so that by next year you start bombarding us here with videos. Now this leads me to the fifth thing you need to do before 2026. Decide your creator's mindset. Now here's the part that changes everything: mindset. So I need you to ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, ask yourself, am I actually doing YouTube for fun, or am I actually serious about growth? Ask yourself, will I post consistently even when my views are very, very low? Now I know this can be tricky, because even if you're getting low views, it is quite discouraging to keep posting, but you still need to be consistent. Now the third question is, am I willing to improve even when it feels like nobody's actually watching my videos? Now I remember when I started, my first few videos barely got any view, like 20 views in a month. That was bad. Imagine getting 20 views after sitting down to edit. And I actually thought about quitting, but I decided to keep learning, and I kept showing up and improving every day. So that decision changed everything for me. Now I want you to know that in 2026, it won't reward luck. It is actually going to reward consistency, focus, and intentional action. You actually need to, work on your mindset. This is actually going to give you a huge push so that you can actually be noticed by YouTube. And this leads me to the 6th thing you need to do before 2026. This is final motivation and personal push. So if you're feeling stuck, it is actually normal. Everyone hits that wall. Difference is whether you stay there or you move forward. So the decision is left to you. So what you need to do is take your best performing videos, pick your focus, fix your thumbnails, plan your next 10 videos, and commit to your mindset, which is consistency. So do these things before the year ends, and I promise you, you won't just enter 2026, you are going to enter it moving forward, not feeling stuck. I know it can feel scary or overwhelming, but just start with one thing today. One small step forward is better than staying in the same place for a long time. So if you're ready to stop being stuck and grow in 2026, do well to like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and lastly, do not forget to comment, I am moving forward in 2026. Let's leave confusion behind and start a new year focused, confident, and then ready to win, because we are definitely going to win in 2026. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.